In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Housecall in Gohighlevel. To get started, log into your Gohighlevel account and make sure you're in the correct location or sub-account where you want this integration to be connected. This is important because integrations in Gohighlevel are often managed at the location level, so you'll want to confirm you're working in the right place before making any changes. Once you're inside Gohighlevel, look over to the left-hand sidebar. This is where most of your main navigation options live. From there, click on Settings. If you don't immediately see it, just scroll down a little in the sidebar until it appears. Settings is where you manage account level tools, configurations, and connected apps. After you open Settings, the next thing you'll do is click on Integrations. This section is where Gohighlevel lets you connect outside platforms and services so they can work together with your account. Opening the integrations area will give you access to the available connection options. When you're in the integrations section, go to the search bar and type in Housecall. Searching helps narrow down the list quickly, especially if you have several integrations visible on the page. As soon as Housecall appears in the results, locate it and click on Connect. At this point, Gohighlevel will prompt you to enter the API key for Housecall. Go ahead and paste or type your API key into the field provided. Make sure the key is entered exactly as it was issued with no extra spaces before or after it, because even a small formatting issue can prevent the connection from working properly. If you're copying and pasting it, that's usually the safest way to avoid mistakes. Once the API key is entered, click Save. This will store the connection details and complete the setup process. After saving, it's a good idea to pause for a moment and let the system finish processing the connection. If everything was entered correctly, your Housecall integration should now be connected inside Gohighlevel. That's all there is to it. The process is very straightforward. Open Gohighlevel, go to Settings, select Integrations, search for Housecall, click Connect, enter your API key, and save. If the connection doesn't go through on the first try, double check that the API key is correct and that you're in the right Gohighlevel account location before trying again. And that's how to connect Housecall in Gohighlevel.